Some places are defined by who or what is there, and others are defined by what is missing. I can't remember who said that, probably made it up. I'm here to see if I can use my camera to capture feelings that most of us run away from. Isolation and loneliness. So, some really cheery and uplifting content coming up. But first off, I'm heading to Steampunk Coffee to get some focus. So, to convey isolation, you don't want a massive telephoto lens pulling an object right into your face. You want the opposite. You want to show the scale of the emptiness around that subject. Instead of zooming in tight, leave massive negative space around it. Now, if you look past the modern seaside charm, North Berwick has some serious history baked into its bones. So we're sitting in a town 25 miles east of Edinburgh with a population of just under 8,000 people. But historically, this place has punched well above its weight. It started out as a dramatic Iron Age settlement, but by the 1590s it became the epicentre of some of the worst witch trials ever seen in this country, where over 70 people were accused of conjuring storms in the Firth of Forth, just off the coast there. And just 2 miles off that coast is the Bash Rock, which is famously home to the world's largest colony of northern gannets. And just a bit further west is the island of Fidra, and that landscape is rumoured to have inspired a young Robert Louis Stevenson to write his classic novel, Treasure Island. Focus on a single piece of rusted harbour iron or a solitary bench, and let the rest of the town fall into a soft, hazy blur. It instantly creates a sense of quiet detachment. Or you could just go plain old school and hunt down empty spaces, quiet alleyways, barren beaches, or maybe frame a single solitary person in the distance to really let that feeling of loneliness sink in. So I'm heading to a place called the Auld Hoose, which is a bar that was recommended to me by some local chaps. And they did say it had some nice ales and stouts. Now, they also said that I shouldn't look anyone in the eye, and I hope they're winding me up there. Yeah, they were winding me up. Everyone in there was really nice and the beers were awesome. But here's the real kicker. You don't have to be a massive history buff or a total romantic to appreciate this place. If you're staying in Edinburgh, it's ridiculously easy to get here. You jump on a train at Waverley and within 30 minutes you're standing in this absolutely stunning Scottish seaside town. Dramatic coastal views, empty sandy beaches, a picturesque harbour, great coffee, amazing food, nice pints, and really, really friendly locals. I know what you're thinking. The shades, the t-shirt, the sun, the blue sky. Is this some kind of AI wizardry? Is he really in Scotland? So I've tried to inject a bit of cheekiness and humour into this video, just like I always do, because that's just the way I navigate the world. But the truth is, in the real world, feelings of isolation and loneliness are no laughing matter. It's easy to feel like you're completely on your own, even if it seems that everyone else has it all figured out. But you don't have to carry that weight by yourself. If anything in this video resonated with you today, or if you're just having a really bad time at the moment, please reach out to someone. Talk to a mate, talk to someone in your family, or give one of the numbers on the screen a call. There is zero shame in taking that step, and there's always someone ready to listen. Thanks for listening. Back to the video. Okay, shameless plug section. If you've watched this far, thank you very much. If you wouldn't mind liking, subscribing, commenting down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Slangy. So I'm Alan, and I run guided photography walks about 25 miles west of here in Edinburgh. And we don't focus on things like lenses, sensor sizes, histograms. We look at ways to use photography as a storytelling technique, see the city differently, and hopefully give you some lessons that you can take home and use for yourself wherever you go, or even your own hometown. Anyway, link to book a tour's in the description.